You're cutting calories and you're craving ice cream. You don't have to choose. These three, a classic vanilla, a chocolate, and a peanut butter, hit up to 43 grams of protein and taste like you went completely off plan. First one, the classic vanilla. 1 cup of Fairlife fat-free milk, half cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 scoop or 31 grams of Optimum Nutrition vanilla ice cream protein powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, 2 teaspoons of 0-cal sweetener, 1/4 teaspoon of Terra gum. That's what gives you a nice, thick, creamy texture instead of an ice block, and a pinch of salt. Blend it up and freeze it overnight. Light ice cream setting, 217 calories and 37 grams of protein for the whole pint. So creamy. No protein aftertaste. So good. Number 2, Midnight Cocoa. Same liquids, same protein powder, and what changes? 2 tablespoons of dark, unsweet cocoa powder. And because cocoa's bitter, we'll bump the sweetener. Full tablespoon. Terra gum and salt. Blend it and freeze. Light ice cream setting. Now look at that. 247 calories and 39 grams of protein. Rich dark chocolate, just like frozen brownie batter. Really good. Last one, the peanut butter. Same liquids, same protein powder, but for this one, we're adding in 2 tablespoons of powdered peanut butter. Not real peanut butter, same flavor, way less fat, keeps the macros in check. 0-calorie sweetener, Terra gum, and some salt. Blend it up and freeze. Light ice cream setting. All this right here, 277 calories and 43 grams of protein. Pure peanut butter taste, very thick, super creamy, so good.